today we are going to be doing this really pretty smoky glittery eye makeup, and I really hope you enjoy it. Really quick, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there to become part of the GLAMFAM, and let's jump into this video. I'm going to be using the Amazing Cosmetics Eye Primer. This is in the color Moonlight Lavender, and we are going to put this on our eyelids. I'm just going to go in and set it with some Laura Mercier translucent powder, just a little bit. Now we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we are going to take this color right here and pop that into our crease. By the way, the contacts that I'm wearing today are the ttdeye Queen Green contacts. I will have a link and a discount code in the description below if you would like to check them out. We're also going to blend this out pretty far into a pointed V shape. Now we are going to go in with this color right here, and we are going to put that into our crease as well. This slightly darker color is just going to give us a little bit more dimension within the crease of our eye. Now we are going to go in with more of a dense brush. This is the Sigma Blending E25. It's not as fluffy. And we are going to go into this dark chocolate brown right here. And we are going to focus this onto the outer portion of our eye. Go right in here. First, we're just going to pat this into the shape that we want, and then we will go in and blend that out. I am just focusing this color on the outer half of my lid and also up into my crease. Now I'm going to take the other brush that we had, and I'm just going to blend that color out. Now we are going to go in with the darkest brown in this palette. That is this color right here. And we are going to pack that on the outer portion of our eye, closer to our lid. Then we're just going to go back in with that more focused blending brush and just blend and soften that edge. We're going to go in with another layer. We're going to focus this more onto the mobile portion of our lid instead of in the crease. And then we're going to go in and blend that out again. Now we're just going to take a mix of all of those colors and just apply them underneath our lash line. I like to kind of do it more sloppily because I like that grungy effect. now we are just going to highlight our brow bone in our inner corner, and we're going to be using this color right here. Woo! Go light with this color because it's super pigmented. I'm just going to go blend that out a little bit. All right, dramatic, yes. Grungy, check. All right, so next step is we are going to apply some glitter. Today I'm gonna be using the liquid sugar from Eye Candy and a MAC glitter. This glitter is called Reflex Pearl, and it is so pretty. We're gonna focus this on the inner portion of our eye. And just drag it up like so. Also gonna put it in the actual corner of our eye. Once it's dry, we're gonna add a little bit more glitter to the mix, so in a smaller area. Alright, and then you are left with this gorgeous, wet looking glitter. So when you are done, you should have something like so. So now, before we do our liner, I'm gonna go back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we are going to actually take more of that dark brown and pack this on the edge of our eye again. Alright, now we're gonna go into the liner. For liner, I'm gonna be using the NYX Black Matte Liquid Liner. Now I'm going to tightline with my favorite black eyeliner, and that is Makeup Geek's Full Spectrum Eyeliner Pencil in Obsidian. Now I'm going to go put some falsies on. I am using the Black Label Lash. I know I've been using these a lot lately, guys, but I love that they're a local company here in Michigan, and their eyelashes are actually really, really nice. This is the Kinsley pair, and they're very big and fluffy. Ooh! This is so pretty. Eyes are done. We are now going to go in and do some bronzing, maybe some highlight, blush. I'm actually going to be using this NYX Cheek Contour Duo palette. To our cheek. Ooh, I did not expect it to be that blinding. Yes, please. Oh. I'm going to be taking this collab bronzer in Intoxicating, and we're just going to do a light bronze. Nothing crazy here. Just want to be bronzed. Is that too much to ask? I don't think so. Looking for a color like this for my lips, my lip liner, and I can't find one. This is the Collab Shape and Shade Brow Pencil, but I'm going to use it as liner. Anyway, we're going to line our lips, And then we're going to apply the Bare Minerals Cult Matte Liquid Lipstick over top of it. Then I'm just going to pop this on the lip and just bounce it around. That is it, guys. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. It's free, it's the red button, and if you click the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of my uploads, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love y'all so much. Bye!